Right now we are at Big Bend National Park at, I believe, the Panther Junction Visitor Center. We're just starting this trip and we have the entire park that we get to explore in a couple days. I think we're gonna go to Chizo's Basin, Atlanna Canyon, a bunch of different cool places. So let's go and check it out. So we just left Panther Junction. Now we're on Ross Maxwell Scenic Highway, which is going to take us to Santa Elena Canyon, which I hear is a great place, especially if you're spending only a little bit of time here. For those of you who are new to the channel, I normally don't do travel videos. I normally do videos that involve fish and fishing and pond building and things like that, but you can't not make a video of something like this. Big Bend, man, that's awesome. Got my grandpa with me here, and we're just enjoying the scenery. So we are about to explore our first main stop. This is Santa Elena Canyon. The Rio Grande River flows through here, and on the other side of the river is Mexico. We're on our way back from Santa Elena Canyon and going towards Boquillas, I believe, Canyon. So that's a bit of a drive. We have made it to Boquillas Canyon Trail, and gonna wait for my friend Becky to get here, and then we're gonna hike up, and I think we're gonna see the river and the canyons. I met up with Becky. Say hi, Becky.
Hello, everyone. Here we are in the lovely Boquillas Canyon of the Rio Grande in Big Bend National Park.
Anything else, Becky?
We have a nice putting green behind us, Mexico.
That is Mexico, right? Right across the Rio Grande. Where are we?
Boquillas Canyon.
We're in Boquillas Canyon, and this is pretty great. Okay, so there's a cave there, and naturally you have to go explore the cave, but it's not working so well. We kind of made it to the cave-ish. Made it to the inside of the cave. Or Becky's down there. So we got back from the canyon, and it was dark when we decided to set up the tent, and there are just so many bugs. Like the camera doesn't do it justice. There are so many bugs here, and I probably smacked like 100 mosquitoes on me while we were setting up the tent. I was jumping up and down. I couldn't take it. I don't know how people do it, to be honest. I'm a wuss. But then also we trapped a bunch in our car. Yeah, we got insects all over the place in the car. That's our setup right there, little tent. Got a couple air mattresses in there. I'm just hoping we can get a little sleep tonight. Here we are in a tent. It says it's a 3-man tent, but I can't stretch out. Too tall. And I think it's 100 degrees in here. And there are bugs in here. So, see you in the morning. It is the next morning. We got a little bit of sleep last night. I think it was 100 degrees and 100% humidity, but we made it through. But now we are heading towards Chizo's Basin. And right now I'm on this little, I guess, outlook. Unfortunately, we only get a couple days here, and we're actually going to be starting to head out. We're going to be taking the Ross Maxwell Scenic Highway and exiting the park a different way that we came in on the west side. And then we're going to head up to New Mexico, Carlsbad Caverns. Right now we are off the road at Fort Davis, and the scenery is absolutely beautiful. And we're doing the scenic route. It's going to take us, it takes you on Route 166 and takes you all the way around and brings you back to Fort Davis. And this is on our road to Carlsbad, New Mexico.
Rio.
Today is the day after Fort Davis and the day after Bend, and this is our next stop, Carlsbad Caverns. We've never been here before, and pretty excited to see what's in here. Right now I'm at Rocky Mountain National Park, and I'm more or less on top of a mountain. We're above the tree line. It's over 12,000 feet altitude, and this is probably one of the most spectacular things I've ever seen. It's so chilly in July that there's still snow on the tops of these peaks.